My name is Saurabha and you are searching for the perfect mobile solution. The device I have is Vivo branding. On the back side, you can see the Vivo branding and the model number Vivo Y29G. The problem with this device is that it is completely password locked. In this video, I will show you a free way to unlock Vivo Y29G. After watching my video, you will be able to unlock Vivo Y29G for free without a PC or a laptop right at home. That means you can remove the pattern, pin or password lock for free. You saw the device is completely screen locked. Now carefully, how to unlock this device. First of all, friends, to unlock this device, you have to power off it. When the device is powered off, you will see 3 buttons on the right side of the device. At the top is volume up, then volume down, and at the bottom is the power unlock button. First of all, I will tell you the processor to unlock this device. Then I will show you practically what do you have to do. First, you have to turn it off. When the device is powered off, it will do so. Is this the button now? Now you have to press the continue button. Okay, after that, you will turn on the device. Wait for a few seconds, then you will see your device will be on and the Weibo logo will appear on the display. Note, as soon as the device is on, the Weibo logo will be visible. You will immediately remove your finger from these 2 buttons. Okay, wait for a few more seconds, you will see. Your device will be fully activated in fast boot mode. Okay? So, I hope the processor has understood you well. Let me show you this thing. You can still see the device is completely password locked. I told you to power it off first. Press the volume up and power buttons together to turn off the device. The device was powered off. Now this thing I am going to show you practically. I had told you that first of all, you have to keep pressing the up button, continue, then see this. I press the up button, okay? And now friends, I will turn on the device. As soon as the device is on, Weibo caller will see, remove the finger from both buttons. Did you see? Device. As soon as it was on, I removed my finger from both the buttons and you can see that the device is finally active in fast boot mode. Now friends, here are 2 options on the bottom side, reboot and recovery mode. You have to unlock the device. So first you have to activate the device in recovery mode. That is, you have to go to the recovery mode. For this, you press the down button once. You will come to the recovery mode. After coming here, you have to do OK. To do OK, you will press the power button. I press the power button. As soon as you press the power button, you will see the device will reboot, and after waiting a few seconds, the device will be fully active in recovery mode. And friends, the device has been rebooted and is fully active in recovery mode. You can look upwards. It is written Weibo 5G recovery and all recovery options are being shown here. Now friends, you have to unlock the device. Its pattern is to break PIN or password lock. Then see here, there is an option of clear data. You have to click on the option with clear data. Then from here, I clicked on clear data. As soon as you click on clear data, you will see 2 options on the top side, clear cache and clear all data. Now note one thing in many devices. This second option, clear all data, does not show clear all data. Then if it is not showing clear all data in your device, this means that if you have purchased on finance and not mobile cash, then in this condition, you have to go to your nearest service center to unlock the device. Okay? So here, friends, the second option is clear all data. We have to click on it. Then I clicked on clear all data. As soon as I clicked on clear all data, see this message has come. Here there are 2 options, cancel and OK. Here you have to click on OK. Then from here, I clicked on OK. As soon as I clicked on OK, see, the processor started happening. You have to wait till this processor is completed. Now see this, friends, the processor is completed and this message has come, all data cleared. Then the message of all data cleared has come. Your device of its mean has been completely unlocked. So now you have to return from here. Recovery people, listen to you. You can return here. There is an option to return. You simply click on return here. Right now, friends, we are on the option with clear data. See here, there is the option to go baked. Then you can simply click here and see this. We have come baked on the option with Vivo recovery. Okay, now guys, here you will see 2 options. Power off and restart. You have to restart the device. So now you have to click on restart. From here, I clicked on restart. As soon as I clicked on restart, you will see the options of restart, cancel your device, and OK. Finally, you have to click OK. So from here, I clicked OK. As soon as you click on OK, your device will be restarted here. The device has been restarted, and now, friends, you have to wait. This will last until the device is fully turned on after rebooting. You will see no type of lock will show on your display like before. In this video, I have told you the absolutely free way to unlock Vivo Y29 5G. You will like the video. If you like the video, please share it. Please support the channel to get continuous notifications of such sense and interesting videos. If you have any questions related to the video, then leave a comment in the comment section, or if you need to unlock any device of any brandy sitting at home. So you can contact me. My contact details are available in the description box. Now see here, friends, the device has been restarted and is completely turned on. You can see that the display is not showing any type of lock. Let's complete the setup. First, click on Start and then click Next. A small box will be seen here, then check this box and then click on Next from below. An offline setup option is visible. Here you click on Setup Offline. From above here you have to click on Continue. At the bottom you will see More. Click on Accept. See here the option of Set Unlock Method has come. Then from here you can apply pattern, pin, password, face or finger lock in this device. I will skip this option. So I clicked on Skip. From here you can click on Agree. From here click on Next. Friends, seen here there are some useful applications. You can also install these apps if you want. At the moment I will skip. So I clicked on Skip. Click on Next from below here. Congratulations. Start at the bottom here. You click on it. And just now go to your device 2095G. Its pattern, pin, password or screen lock has been completely removed, and you can see if the device is completely unlocked. Then the video will tell you how you like it in the comment section. If you like the video, please watch this video. We'll share more, like more, support the channel to get continuous notification of such wonderful, interesting videos. Subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.